Hi, my name is Grant Winter and I'm from Vue 6, and today we're looking at Magento and the use of custom variables within the email templates. So this is our Magento demo store. It's a community 1.9 version, but this feature is pretty consistent throughout most versions of Magento. If we log into the back end of the store, it's a normal dashboard view, and look under the system menu, there's an option in here called custom variables. Now by default there are no variables set up, so top right of the screen we can click on the add new variable button, and there's some fields we need to fill in. Now what a variable is, it's just a container for some content that you might want to use again and again throughout your site. So let's create one called opening hours. Now the variable code needs to be lowercase, no spaces, so use an underscore in here. And the meaningful name is the variable name. This will appear in the menu, so we choose this later on to apply to email templates, so give it something meaningful. The code name can be anything at all, but again, if you sort of tie it into the variable name, it just makes it a little bit easier when you're looking through code just to see what things are. Then we have two value options. One is a HTML value and one is a plain text. Variables can be used within email templates, and you have the option to send out some emails as plain text if need be. I'm going to stick just with my HTML version in here. I'm just going to add a strong tag. This is optional. This is just to make it stand out on the page. And I'm going to add some opening hours. So Monday to Friday, and we'll have 9 AM until 5 PM. I'm going to close that tag. Okay, and we're done. Let's just save that. So we've created a variable called opening hours with some values, some words in there. And now we want to use that variable. So if we go to System and go into Transactional Emails, again by default there's nothing in here. Let's just click on Add New Template, and we're going to choose from the new templates. We'll choose the new order template just as an example. It can be used in any email template that you want to use it in. And let's just load that in. Okay, and let's just preview this and see how it looks. So by default in here we see there's a Monday to Friday 8 AM 5 PM PST. This is part of the Magento template. Let's just get rid of that, and let's just look at the actual template itself, and then down here you'll see those words. That's where they actually appear within email content. Now that's fine, you can go in here and change it to GMT or whatever you need to edit. However, if you were to change opening hours, you need to go through every single email template and find the occurrence of that, which is a bit of a chore. So let's just remove that, and instead we'll click on the insert variable option. What we see here are the normal Magento variables, so the top half are store contact and the bottom half what are called template variables. We'll look at these in more detail on another video, but what we have in the middle here is a custom variable, and this is one we added ourselves, opening name. If I click on that one, you'll see it drops in the code in here. That relates to the code we used earlier to create the variable. And if we preview the template now, what we see now is it has our Monday to Friday 9 AM to 5 PM in bold, because this is the value we created in the email in the variable earlier. So let's just save that template. Oh, sorry, give it a name. Call it new order. There. That's better. And save the template. And we're done. So we've created a variable which we could, if we wanted to later on, we could change within the menu item system custom variables, and we can go back in here and we can revise if need be our opening hours to 10 to 5, and then rather than looking all through the email templates to find out where it says 9 to 5, it will pull in this variable as it's a custom variable. Okay, that's that. Hope that's helped you. My name is Grant, I'm from Vue 6, and we work with Magento e-commerce stores.